Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear the cache in Telegram on your devices, absolutely on any. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. In order to clear the Telegram cache, the first way we can do that is to go to Settings. Here, open the Apps tab, then open Manage Apps. And now we wait for the download to go through. After that, in the search box we need to write the word Telegram. Go here. Here we have storage, we click. Then we have total, app size, user date, and cache. We click Clear Date and click Clear Cache. And click OK again. After that, our cache and Telegram app is cleared in such a simple way. If this method helped you and helped you, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again. Goodbye.